Welcome to my fish room.
Ah, these will be pretty. 4 red sponges, 4 red serpent stars, and 4 red tree sponges.
Florida's mostly inverts, isn't it?
Yeah. Remember them?
Mm-hmm.
These guys are so sensitive to salinity changes. He's already losing tips. Not a good sign for these guys. These you either make money or you cry. Not much in between. Once again, air in our sponge bag. No, we won't buy sponges off him no more.
So then how do you put them into our water out of taking them out of that?
You got to put their water into your system. Yeah, that's the downside. You got to put somebody else's water in your system, but hopefully it was invert water. Did you see he colors his fish water?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't color his invert water. Eight pieces of Gorgonian coral.
Which one's Gorgonian?
The ones that look like trees. We got brown tree Gorgonian, corky sea rod Gorgonian,
Just open them,
sea
please.
stock, and purple frilly. Are you going out with your friends after we get done?
No, I'm going home and going to bed.
And then you're going to be up at 7 o'clock to help Dad in the morning.
Huh?
7 o'clock.
What are you talking about? Funny.
You don't think we'll get out of the house by 7 o'clock?
I'm coming with you tomorrow?
You told me you were gonna.
I said sometime soon. I never said a day.
No, you said you were gonna come with me today, and then you didn't, and I cried.
I said I was gonna come with you sometime soon. I never gave you a day yet.
No, you said it was gonna be today, and then it wasn't, and that's why I cried.
So then we'll be leaving the house around 11. How many customers do you have? 2?
2 or maybe 3. I worked hard than 3. So these are photosynthetic Gorgonians.
This camera's weird with the lenses. I've held my fingers over the lens like 3 different times for long periods of time.
Did you wonder why you were looking at your finger?
I don't really look at the camera anymore.
Okay, that's why the camera's such a bad focus. He doesn't look at it. That's corky, I guess. You don't have to acclimate them. It's another corky. It's purpley.
So like the ones I brought back.
Yeah.
Or one that I brought back.
And frilly.
There's another one there.
There is?
One blue angel, extra large, and one medium French. What are you doing?
I want to save this water.
Why?
Because it's gonna have all sorts of little life, micro life. Now put some green water in there, bubble it, see what you get. Ah, little French.
That's supposed to be medium French.
Yes, I know.
Maybe the extra large blue will be bigger.
See, the gray angel has clear at the end of the tail and the French has yellow.
Should have emptied the water and then just put them together.
Why?
So there was more water and it was deeper?
Well, I'll put more water in it now.
What?
See?
Yeah. What is it?
Bacterial. He sent me a dead damselfish?
Alright, man.
That's weird.
What's in the last one? Blue legs?
Yep. That is the small toadfish? No, that's
Why'd
not.
you order one?
I ordered the orange one, because he's orange.
But we still have two regular toadfish that we've had for...
Since we got back from Florida. But it's cool!